Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's introduce. We are going from 12 Science 2. My name is Putri candanila.
My name is Figo, santiko.
My name is Nirza, ariyudan.
Today we are going to show you how to multiply. Let's start. Actually, there are many ways you can do to multiply plan, but today we will give one way, namely cutting. Clean the bottom bar.
But actually there are many ways you can do to multiply. But today we will give one way, namely cutting. Okay, next. Dissolve the nutter stack in a stirring container until it thickens.
Typical with a nature was cutting to show that has been impaled. After completion, the stem is heated in the hot sun. Prepare by bag that have been filled with soil. Fill the soil until it is solid. Plug the stem into the media that has been prepared. Cover the media that has been planed with plastic. If it has been fresh for a week, fresh leaf will emerge. After 1 month, it can be moved the agricultural land which need to be taken care of so that the cutting do not dry out because they make the plant die and don't use too much water because it can disturb the nature of the root.
until 4 moon.
I think enough from us. Now you know the step. I hope you can try at home. See you.
Don't forget to break,
Like,
like, and share, comment.
see you next video.